You're good.
Yeah. I'm bored. I don't wanna. I have no range from back there. You forgot that I have a... Nice, Kevin. Yeah, from the hotel.
You want to?
I like this spot.
I want the GoPro.
No, I want the GoPro. Evan owes me. They're in the hotel. This is gonna... I mean, yeah, it's fun to play with Umbrella, but this is gonna be a lot more even though they're on our team.
Are we allowed to leave? Like, leave the palace?
I think so. Cody, are we allowed to leave palace?
Guys, do you want to? Yeah. Do you want to go down there? Buddy?
Oh, we're allowed to leave the palace?
Yeah. You want to go back?
Go!
Gun hit, bitch. I just got a gun hit. That was a gun hit, bro. Dude, where are they? Fucking mid-cap. Come on. Get in. Are you kidding me? Get in. Ah. Hey. Kevin.
Jake, get in here.
Kevin.
Jake.
What?
Get in here.
Why?
Get in here. This is where we need.
I'm gonna go up with Derek.
Hey! Hey, watch your back!
Come on.
Where is he?
Around this, where that white truck is, not the closest one, the farthest one.
Oh, yeah. God, dude. They're not rushing at all.
I know. We could rush them if we wanted to. But that's a waste of a spawn. I'm burning through mid-caps. Come on. Get out.
This gun is the worst gun. Look at this. Not even shoot. Oh, there it goes. Oh, what the fuck?
Okay. Let me see it.
It doesn't work.
Let me see it. Let me see.
Shit.
This is adorable. What the fuck? The 226 for you.
Mag jam, mag jam! I'm on mag jam.
I don't want to lose my mid cap, so I have to.
Jake, take my shot up there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're done mag jam. Mag jam, I'm out.
Here.
Give me a no high shot.
I have mid. Oh, you got one?
No. Yeah, I need to brush some trash right now.
Where are you?
What? Who's there? This is bad. We could go for them. That's a waste.
No, they got.
Hey, Jake.
Loading!
Jake.
What?
Want to lend me your gun so I can light up that
Pull
guy?
back left!
What guy?
Guy?
Then I'll have no gun.
Hey, you guys, is that the e-bike van? E-bike van!
Left?
Jake, let me use your gun.
Oh shit, he's right around the corner. Derek!
Hey, get on the guard tower, bud. They're moving up, moving up! They're moving up middle! Hey, they're moving up middle, careful!
Cody, we need to fall back.
Nope, we're still here. You're hit!
Derek,
Here, I'm gonna move back to this.
over there.
got the bike van, but they moved up. They didn't go in the same store. You ready? Here they come. Here they come.
Here, I got this corner.
No, hey, get back here. Jake, you get back here. Hey, get that window. Watch the second story building in the market.
They're right there.
Hey, that's the market. Let me see your grenade. What? I'm out. You want anarchy?
I'm running out of ammo.
If you run right and drive. Bad.
Derek's pinned. I'm gonna save Derek. Right there, rubble! Shit, I'm out of ammo. They're in that rubble. Derek, can I move to you? Damn it, Richard. What the hell? Bad footage. Kevin, I can't wait to attack. This will be so much fun. They're not doing anything. Come on, do something. Highly doubt it. I'm extremely inaccurate with my left-hand skills, so excuse me if I shoot you. Shit, are they going right?
Hey, Ted, there's a handgun. There's a guy right in that window right there. Can you give me cover fire?
I hit him! What the fuck? I hit him! Sorry.
Got anybody coming up?
Almost, but we got him. Nothing's really happening. Kevin! Do you have any M4 mags on you? Damn it. There's only like 3 people that were coming this side. They're not doing anything. What? This is the only one. This is the only one.